the business.
Recreational pot shops are in short supply of some pot in Seattle, forcing people to head up to Bellingham to buy pot. 2 marijuana stores are booming. Top Shelf has product. Another shipment is expected tomorrow so that the owners don't expect to turn anyone away. Seattle's retail store ran out of pot last week. They will be closed for at least a week. That has people driving north.
Once the store in Seattle ran out, we've been getting phone calls. Do you still have product? Will you still have product in an hour and a half when I get there? All those sorts of phone calls. They come in all the time. We've been getting them a lot this morning as well.
I came here the other day and I got something and I really liked it, so I had to come back and try to get some more before it was gone, and I got lucky it was here.
Have you had a lot of customers say driving up to Bellingham is a small price to pay for a good quality pot product. Eventually, there will be nearly 24 marijuana stores in Seattle, nearly a dozen in unincorporated King County. In the first 3 days of legal pot sales, the state nearly made $150,000 in excise taxes, and that does not even include the sales taxes. That is estimated that the state could make up to $2 billion on pot sales in the first 5 years alone.